Want to know how to use Threads by Instagram like a pro? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use Threads app. First thing you want to do is open up the Play Store app, then search Threads. Now tap on the install option. Once this application has been installed, tap on open. Now you want to use your Instagram account to log into Threads. If you do not have an Instagram account, then you will not be able to log in. So make sure that you create an Instagram account. Once you've entered the credentials, tap on login. Now your Instagram photo, bio, name on your profile will be auto-imported in your Threads account. Now, once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can compose a new Threads. You can add images, videos, GIFs, hashtag, locations, and also poll over here. Then tap on the post option. Now to discover content, tap on this home icon. This is where you can discover different contents. You can switch between For You and Following tab. Tap on this search icon. Now you can use this option to find users or any topics. Once you have found any thread that you like, you can simply tap on this heart icon to like it. Tap on this icon to leave a comment. You can also repost or quote the thread, or you can send it by tapping on this icon. If you want to adjust privacy or notification settings, tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the two lines at the top right corner, which will open up settings. Now you can adjust any settings from here. And this is how Threads work. If you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.